living with a chronic disease comes with its own unique challenges. At Provision Data Services, we're here to make that journey simpler, more personalized, and more connected. The D-PROm application is designed to empower your life and enhance your health by seamlessly integrating your insights into your unique care plan. This short guide walks you and your clinician through installing and configuring the D-PROm app on an Android-based smart device. Before we begin, confirm two things. The clinician is signed into the D-PROm Assisted app with the patient information worksheet loaded, and you have an Android-based smart device with a working camera ready. At the conclusion of this guidance, the D-PROm app will be available on your smart device's home screen and ready to capture your insights. Let's get started by sharing the first steps that must be completed by the clinician. The clinician must sign into the D-PROm Assisted app, select your name from amongst the patients within the clinic, and then click the globe icon in the bottom left corner of the interface. Once selected, the app link QR code will display. Now it's time for you to start the installation of the D-PROm app on your smart device. Go ahead and pick up your smart device and point the camera at the app link QR code. Tap the URL that appears. You'll see a screen that explains the app must be installed to your home screen and that you should only use the home screen app moving forward. On your Android device, confirm opening the link in your browser. Tap the Open link, if prompted, and then select the Install icon. A menu titled Install App appears. Click Install. The D-PROm app is now being installed, and shortly two banners will appear: D-PROm app installed and shortcut to D-PROm added on home screen. The D-PROm app icon now appears on your home screen. Now wait until the clinician is ready to share your unique verification QR code. The clinician should now select Verification on the D-PROm Assisted app screen and present the verification QR code to you. With the clinician now sharing the verification QR code, select the D-PROm icon on your home screen and then press the camera icon at the top center of your screen. Scan the QR code with your phone's camera and complete the configuration of the application by selecting Yes. You will now be presented with the End-User License Agreement, which you must accept in order to use D-PROm. Tap Agree and confirm by tapping Yes on the subsequent screen. You are now signed in to D-PROm and authorized to use the application. With your successful sign-in, the app will retain your credentials on the device moving forward. That's it. The D-PROm app is now installed, configured, and ready to support your insight reporting. Tap the D-PROm icon to open the app directly. There's no need to open your browser. And remember, regular interaction with the app ensures a two-way connection between you and your care team, clinicians, dietitians, and social workers. By reporting your insights, you are actively shaping your care and unlocking better health outcomes. For more information and on-demand resources, visit our website, www.provision-data.com. Together, let's empower life and enhance health.